What's up guys, Naresh here, welcoming you back into another video which is a comparison between two same range portable wireless Bluetooth speaker. On my left hand side I have got a Tronsmart Element T6 Max and on the right W-King D8. And if I have to give you a very quick understanding that the both speaker power is comparable with the JBL Extreme 2. And to be honest with you, you're not going to see major differences at all between the quality of JBL and both of these Bluetooth speakers as well. I have done a full detailed review on all the speakers which I am mentioning in this video. Check the link in the video description for that if you're interested in. Now, to start with, first we're going to look into the features offered by both Bluetooth speaker, then the sound performance, which will definitely give you an idea that which one you should go for if it comes to the performance. Looking D8 portable wireless speaker, you are expected to get the output power of 50 watt with a peak of 70 watts, 800 milliampere hour battery life, which will give you playtime of 24 hours at the maximum volume too. Come with the IPX5 water rated, which means you can take it around the swimming pool but don't dunk it in there. Also have an NFC enable as well, which means you can connect it directly straight with NFC enable mobile phone. And on the speaker itself, you have a 2-line driver in the front, 2 passive radiator on side to side, all the control buttons on the top, along with the equalizer button. On the back of a speaker, you have a compartment to access USB-C to charge the speaker, auxiliary port for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, USB output port to charge your mobile phone while playing the music too. Also come with the prefixed shoulder stripe as well. And now looking into Element T6 Max, where all the specifications are available on the back of the packaging, starting with the patented Sound Plus Team technology, 360-degree surround sound, option to give you 3 equalizer settings, battery life of up to 20 hours of play time. Also come with the IPX5 splash resistance, access towards your voice assistant, very simple, with a total output power of 60 watts. It's completely a solid and round design. All the passive radiators, 6 of them, are connected throughout the speaker and 2 speakers right in the front as well, along with the tweeters. All accessible ports are available on the back of the speaker just under it, where you can see USB-C port, a DC output port, an auxiliary input for non-Bluetooth supporting devices, and a power button. And all the buttons to control the Bluetooth speaker are available on the top with the touch button panel. Very easy to access guys, to be honest with you, and looks nice as well. This T6 Max speaker also fits the decor of indoor as well as for outdoor for the barbecues parties if you want to. Well, now let's go ahead with the audio performance test, where I will be playing some royalty-free music from YouTube, which is pre-selected by myself to give you idea of every single note which comes out of both Bluetooth speaker in terms of sound quality, instruments and everything. And I would highly recommend every one of you to use earphones if possible you have them. And also within this test we will be playing exactly same soundtrack on both speakers to give you a detailed idea too. Now here we are in the end of this video, and to be honest with you, from the side of performance, WKing D8 is fantastic Bluetooth speaker, but I would not class it as an indoor speaker, to be honest with you, because of its old design. It's more suitable for outdoors, but if you forcefully wanted to have it in indoors, that's your own choice. But output, bass and everything is fantastic, no doubt whatsoever. Whereas if I look into the Element T6 Max, it is fantastic for indoors as well as for outdoors. The design actually matches the indoor actually. What I meant by that is basically if you put this speaker in your living room, it's going to fit the decor, to be honest with you. Whereas if I compare the sound quality of Element T6 Max with the WKing D8, I'm going to say that WKing is a kind of a winner. Whereas T6 Max also comes with a 360-degree speakers covering around, which is very handy and useful to have for the outdoors as well as for the indoors too. Design is fantastic, will suit the decor of your house, to be honest with you. It is fantastic looking Bluetooth speaker as the quality as well. Now I have got a full detailed video reviews on both of these Bluetooth speaker, and link for them is also available in the video description. So if you're interested in more detail of them, check those videos out before asking me in the comment section down below. Now that will be completely all from my side guys. Thank you again for watching this video. Shall see you soon into another one. Bye for now.